What's good, my good people? It's your boy Big G, Stocks and Cigars, coming to you guys live from JDV Cigar Lounge right here in Tampa, Florida. And today we're on one of my favorites, man, La Fior Dominicana. It's one of my favorites. It's a brand that really I got introduced to by a good friend of mine in the Dominican Republic, and it's been one of my favorites ever since, man. They come real fresh in the um, cedar wood case, some of the best taste that you'll get. Nice and mild, smooth flow. And let me tell y'all something, man. If you ever can see a La Fior Dominicana, grab it because it's a good cigar to add to the collection. So, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the big news today, which was Nvidia. Nvidia came with their earnings today after hours. Today was a crazy day in the market. We kept our head above that $5,600 level on the SPX, and then we of course dropped below it, and then it became resistance. Very end of the tape today, we saw a huge rally, almost 20 points to get back above 5,600 just for this particular announcement. And let me tell you guys, man, the fireworks flew. As soon as we got to that $5,600 level, the sellers came back in, and then it was really a prove it to me type of scenario in the market. And that's really where we are right now in the market. As we sit today on August 28th, we are looking at $30 decrease in what we call the futures, SPX futures. Tesla 202.85 from 220 just a few days ago. Microsoft sitting at about 405, which was about a $420 stock not too long ago. We're looking at Moderna sitting at $77, which was a $100 stock not too long ago. So we are seeing some give back in the market after this report. Of course, the Magnificent Seven has kind of been rattled by this report as well. It wasn't a bad report. Everything was in line. I think, the expectations just get a little crazy for a stock like NVIDIA. When you're up almost 150% on the year, you really have to come out and triple beat rather than just beat on your guidance, earnings, and of course what you're saying business is going to do. There's some delays that are going to happen with their Blackwell chip. They're attributing some of that slowness to that. But all in all, I think what investors really want to see is, can we get more money from more than just the Mag 7? Can we come out and say more than just Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Google? Can we say that there's more than those companies buying your chips? And for right now, it's a show me story. And I think a lot of investors are quick to hit that trigger and go ahead and sell because they feel that they can maybe get a better price later. Remember, August 5th, when we have a huge JPN carry trade happen, we were at $90 on Nvidia so we really ran back to 130 in a few days. So that does cause for some consolidation. So not saying I'm a bull or bear, but right now, guys, I think the trend is your friend. We have seen stocks run up a lot since that August 5th bottom, and we may see some consolidation here. We may see some downside channels. Now, do you go out and buy puts the first thing in the morning tomorrow? Absolutely not. The market's not going to give it to you that easy. What I always do is I look for that gap to fill. There is a couple of gaps in the chart. We're going to talk about that on the recap video. But when I look at my daily chart, I'm looking at specifically a huge gap right from the 14th of August. We closed at 54.55, and the next day we closed at 55.43, 100 points up. But the beautiful thing about this, guys, is the lowest we got on the next day, which was the 15th, was 5,500. So that is a 50-point gap from the 14th to the 15th. That tells me that the next level we may see to the downside will be that close, 54.55. Now that's about 150 or so odd points. from where we are now. Will it happen all at once? Absolutely not. Will it happen this month? Possibly not. But the beautiful thing about the market is it gives you opportunities. So when we slip into that gap, definitely be looking for that flush to that 54 area. As I've been telling you guys all year, you can look back at the timeline, you can look back at the Instagram, and when we talk about gaps, when it happens, guys, the institutional buyers come in and they don't give you time to get in. So the beautiful thing is, if you are bullish, you want to wait for that 54, 55 area, possibly 54.50, and then look for your longs there. Until then, I will be playing the market as it comes every day. Um, Now, the Max 7, obviously, they're not going anywhere. I don't think this slight letdown from NVIDIA is really going to change anything about the narrative going forward. However, you got to have your head on a swivel. You got to be watching every little thing when it comes to the market. And as you guys know, with me, I protect the bread. Tight stops, making sure that you're looking at every little thing. When you saw me put out the video just on Monday about how we set the charts up, right? We want to look at that pre-market low, pre-market high, previous day low, previous day high, right? Make sure that you are a technical trader. Do not let the market maker take your money. Last but not least, quick shout out to my guy Jitesh and the Trading Edge crew. Man, let me tell you, it's like having another indicator right in your pocket. So if you're thinking about making a trade and Jitesh is down with what you're doing, he tells you that we're looking bullish or bearish based on what you're doing, I think that works as my, magical indicator. And it's been a beautiful thing. So I want to send a big shout out to him and his crew, Trading Edge Academy. Check him out on YouTube. He trades live every day. You'll see your boy in there giving a little commentary as we go here and there.